3 orders came in at once. 2 of them are for Yukhoe, and 1 is for Tteokbokki. Luckily, the restaurants are very close. I'll cut through the busy district to save some time. The weather is hot and humid today. One of the orders is for Yukhoe. Yukhoe is a Korean dish made with seasoned raw beef, egg yolk, and sliced pear. It's a popular dish in Korea. This path is shared with pedestrians, so I need to move slowly and carefully. The restaurant is nearby, and I arrive just a few minutes later. It's time to head to the customer. The weather suddenly feels strange. A few drops of rain begin to fall. The raindrops are unusually large. Something doesn't seem right. And then it starts pouring. It looks like a sudden downpour. I'm almost at the customer's building. I'm trying to decide whether to put on my rain gear or wait a few minutes for the rain to stop. It looks like it might pass quickly, so I'll wait for a moment. In Korea, delivery riders rarely stop working because of rain. In fact, rainy weather often brings even more delivery orders. There's even a joke in Korea that deliveries continue no matter how bad the weather gets. One reason is that riders can often earn 30% to 100% more during bad weather. The rider next to me has already changed into rain gear. I can't wait here forever. It's time to move. To reach the customer, I need to cross the railroad tracks. By motorcycle, I would have to make a long detour. If I cross on foot, the customer's building is right there. Since it's raining, I'll try to stay under cover by using the underground shopping arcade. At this point, there's really no choice but to hurry. After leaving the underground arcade, the customer's building is right in front of me. But the rain is even heavier now. I'll have to make a run for it. I'm heading back through the underground passage, and now, back at the motorcycle. The rain doesn't look like it's stopping anytime soon, so I'm putting on my rain gear too. Strangely enough, the sun is still visible in the sky. As often happens during sudden rainstorms, more delivery orders begin to appear. I'm already moving toward the next one. The sun is still shining, but the downpour continues. Around me, other riders are still moving as well.